Okay, so today what we're going to do is we're going to determine if the lengths given of a triangle make up a right triangle by using the Pythagorean theorem. So here we have 3, 4, 5 triangles. So what you're going to do is you're going to do 3 squared plus 4 squared to see if it equals 5 squared. So we already know 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16, and 5 squared is 25. So 9 plus 16 is 25. So does 25 equal 25? Yes. So yes, this does. So now we're going to do the 5, 12, 13. So that means we're going to do 5 squared plus 12 squared equals 13 squared. And remember, you can do this on your calculator. 5 squared is 25. 12 squared is 144. 13 squared is 169. So 25 plus 144 is 169. So 169 does equal 169. So this is a right triangle. So we're going to do 7 squared plus 24 squared equals 25 squared. So 7 squared, and I'm just going to do on this calculator, is 49 plus 24 squared equals altogether 625. And 25 squared is 625. So this is a right triangle. So that's what we're doing today. So we're going to move on to our next couple examples. Zoom in. So we have the length 9, 40, and 41. So just understand, C always has to be the biggest length. C is a hypotenuse, has to be the biggest length. A and B can be interchanged. It doesn't matter what they are, but I would just always make the largest length C. So we're going to use A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So A squared is going to be 9 squared plus 40 squared, which equals 41 squared. So 9 squared is 81. 40 squared is 1600. And then 41 squared is 1681. So 81 plus 1600 is 1681. So yes, this makes up a right triangle. Okay, so let's try another one. So we have A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So we have 8 squared plus 10 squared equals 12 squared. 8 squared is 64. 10 squared is 100. And 12 squared is 144. So 100 plus 64 is 164, which equals 144. That is not a true statement. So this is not a right triangle. So I want you to pause the video and try 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 2, you're going to do 14 squared plus 23 squared, equals 25 squared. So 14 squared is 196 plus 23 squared is 529. Ooh, sorry, y'all. And then 25 squared is 625. So you're going to do 196 plus 529, which is 725. So this is not a right triangle. All right, and that's basically what we're going to be doing today. Let me go on down to a couple examples about the word problems. Katia is buying edging for a triangular flower garden. She plans to build her in her backyard. If the lengths of the 3 pieces of edging she purchases 13, 10 by 7 is a flower in the shape of a right triangle. So you're going to do the same thing. So 13 has to be C squared because that's your largest value. And it doesn't matter about the 10 squared plus the 7 squared because those values don't have to go in order as long as the largest length is a C. So this would be 100 plus 49. And 13 squared is 169. So 100 plus 49 is 149 and is 169. So no, this is not true. All right. So that's another one that you can practice. And then that's also another one that you can practice. So that's all we're basically doing today. Thanks, guys.